Hello guys, today we'll solve a question on differential equations. We are given a non-homogeneous differential equation and we'll solve this by variation of parameters or undetermined coefficients. So the question we have is, we have to solve the following non-homogeneous linear ODE by variation of parameters, that is y double dash plus 9y equals to cosec of x. So first of all, let's solve for y double dash plus 9y equals to 0. So the solution, we have lambda square. By normal terms, the equation we'll get is lambda square plus 9 equals to 0, where lambda equals to a plus minus ib. So lambda would be plus minus 3i, and so a equals to 0 and b equals to 3. Now after this we'll find the solution for this. So the first solution will be phi 1t e raised to the power minus e raised to the power at cos bt. So we have cos 3t as a is 0 and b is 3, and the second solution would be a eat sin bt, so it would be sin 3t. So we have these two solutions for this equation. Now applying superposition theorem, the overall solution would be y equals to c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. So this is the solution for the equation y double dash, let's say yh. Now the other solution, say the solution of this equation is equal to yh plus yp. So we have yh equals to this. Now we have to find yp, which we'll find by variation of parameters. So let's first find the Wronskian matrix value. So the Wronskian determinant value would be y1 y2 y1 dash y2 dash. So it would be, so we have cos 3t, sorry, this all will be x, not t. So actually when t is the function, here x is the function on which y depends, so it is cos 3x sin 3x. Derivative of cos 3x is minus sin 3x, and derivative of minus 3 sin 3x, and derivative of sin x is 3 cos 3x. So we have this. Now we'll multiply, so we'll get 3 cos square 3x plus 3 sin square 3x, which gives us a value of 3, as cos square x plus sin square x equals to cos square x plus sin square x equals to 1. Now after finding the Wronskian value, the ypt would be in y1 minus y1 integration y2 by w d r is here this term cosec of x plus y2 integration y1 w r dx. So this is the equation we have to solve. Now we'll just plug in the values. So this is cos 3x sin 3x by 3, r is cosec of x dx. Now we have plus sin 3x integration cos 3x by 3 cosecant of x dx. So we have this equation. Now we have to solve this. For solving this, you need to remember the trigonometric identities. So first of all, we will use the formula for sin 3x, that is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x into cosecant of x. As 3 is a constant, we can take it out of the integral, and here we have the cos 3x property, that is 4 cos cube x minus cos x, again 3, taking 3 out, cosec x dx. So this is the equation we have. Now we'll plug in, put in this term, put cosecant x inside. So we have minus cos 3x by 3 integration 3 minus 4 sin square x, and this is dx plus sin 3x. Now I am going to do one thing. So I can write this as integration 4 cos x cos square x minus cos x into cosecant of x dx. I'll tell you why did I convert it into cos square of x, because this makes me convert it into sin x, which will make my solution more easier than before. So I had the equation minus cos 3x by 3 integration 3 minus 4 sin square x dx plus I am now writing sin 3x 3, and instead of 4 cos cube x or cos x into cos square x, I'll write 1 minus sin square x, because cos square x equals to 1 minus sin square x minus 3 cos x and whole multiplied by cosec. Now I'll put cosec x inside, so cosecant this by 3, this. Now let's solve this also. So we can say 3 minus 4 sin square x can be written as 1 plus 1 minus cos 2x by 2. How we got that is cos 2x equals to 1 plus cos 2x equals to 2 sin square x by 2, 1 minus cos 2x, sorry. And if I plug it here, sin square x, sorry, so 2 sin square x, and now if I find sin square x from here, I'll get 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So I just wrote that minus 3 cos x, sorry, this term is over, and here I have plus sin 3x by 3, and this I can write 4 cos x minus sin square x 4 cos x minus 3 cos x, whole term divided by cosecant of x dx. So this is the equation. Now simplifying the first part first, we have 3 minus 4 plus 2 cos 2x dx. So this is first term, and the second term we have sin 3x by 3, and now I'll put cosecant x inside, so I'll get 4 cot, first this will become cos x, so cot x minus 4 sin x cos x dx. So this is my equation. Now I'll integrate minus cos 3x by 3, integration this will become minus 1, and that integration would be minus x plus 2 cos 2x, so it will be sin 2x, integral of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2, so it will be sin 2x directly, plus sin 3x, integration of cot s is ln of sin x, and for this I'll do this here, 4 sin x cos x. So let's just do sin x cos x, as 4 is a constant, dx integration. So we can assume that t equals to sin x, so dt equals to cos x dx. So after this we have we can replace it as t dt, and we'll get t square by 2, that is sin square x by 2. So integration of this term would be sin square x by 2, so this is 2 sin square x by 2 dx. This will be 2 sin square x. So we got this after integrating. Now just multiply. So this is x cos 3x by 3 minus sin 2x 3x cos 3x by 3 plus sin 3x into ln of sin x whole by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 sin square x dx, sorry, no dx, so sin 2x sin 3x. So this is what we get after simplifying, and this is the answer. It's a pretty long equation as the solution consists of many terms. Now the overall solution would be y equals to yh plus yp. Our yh was c1 cos 3x plus c2 cos 3x sin 3x, sorry, and now the solution we got is plus for yp we solved it, we got plus x cos 3x by 3, then we got minus sin 2x cos 3x by 3. Then we got plus sin 3x ln of sin x by 3. And the last term we got is minus 2 by 3 sin square x. So this is the answer and the solution for the equation y double dash plus 9y equals to cosecant of x. So I'll repeat how we solved this. So for this we first found the yh, which is by doing this, equating this to 0, we got the solution. Then we found the Wronskian, that came out to be 3. Then we put in this formula all the values, and then we simplified by trigonometry identities and integration formulas and got this answer. So I hope you understood how we did this question and also enjoyed the video, and thank you.